Please don't wait 5 years to clean your sewing machine like I did. It should be cleaned frequently, especially when the fabric or threads create excessive lint. I'm using a makeup brush, however, we can also use vacuum attachments. The first step is to remove the needle, the presser foot, and the throat plate. Then proceed to brush the lint from the feed dogs and inner compartment. Canned air is also recommended. We should not be blowing into the sewing machine because the moisture in our breath can rust the metal parts. Once all the particles are removed, reassemble and begin sewing.